Welcome to AutoSens, the world's leading community for ADAS and autonomous vehicle technology development. We create best-in-class events, training, and information in order to connect the global community of scientists, engineers, and other automotive industry experts. One such expert is Moshe Sheier, VP of Marketing at Ceva. And Moshe, welcome back to AutoSens. Good to see you again.
Thank you, Carl. Very good to be here again this year. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, and I believe the last time we spoke, one of the facts that really stood out was that 1.7 billion devices in 2022 were powered by Ceva technologies. Moshe, can you give us an update and describe more about Ceva and its business model and technology offerings?
Sure. So generally about Ceva first. So Ceva is a pure IP company. We are licensing semiconductor and software IP to chip companies and OEMs. We've been licensing IP. We've been doing that for more than 30 years. And like you said, our customers are shipping at a rate of 1.7 billion chips every year. That's roughly right for 2023 as well, and is likely to go up during this year, 2024. So we are at the same rate of close to 2 billion chips actually every year that are powered by Ceva technologies. We're a global public company, about 450 employees. Most of them are engineers. In terms of the IP portfolio and the changes that happened in the last year, we focus on three main technology use cases. These are connect, sense, and infer. Connect includes any wireless communication solutions, starting with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, ultra-wideband or UWB, narrowband IoT, and 5G cellular. Sense for us means computer vision, radar, LiDAR, audio DSPs, as well as 3D audio software and sensor fusion software. While the infer, the last element, includes NPUs, neural processing units, for any edge AI inferencing application, from TinyML up to generative AI at the edge. So Ceva technologies are powering the smart edge, as we'd like to call it, where smart edge devices encompass any device operating outside of a data center, including wearables, smart home systems, industrial equipment, consumer IoT devices, and of course, automotive.
Lots of use cases there indeed. And specifically for the automotive market, then, what are some of Ceva's main solutions?
Okay, so many of our IP technologies are targeting the automotive market. That's why we're attending AutoSens. For example, for ADAS, we offer processor solutions in the form of NPUs and DSPs that are used for sensing and AI inferencing of cameras, LiDAR, radar, both externally for front and surround view camera systems, as well as interior camera for driver monitoring systems. Also for battery management in electric vehicles, using our Bluetooth platform for BMS, battery management systems, and safety compliant DSPs that we offer. For cockpit solutions, we offer connectivity solutions. So Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, V2X, UWB, for both secure car keys access and human presence detection. And infotainment features like 3D audio and voice control. Our Bluetooth IP, by the way, can also be used for TPMS, a tire pressure monitoring system, for example. So many of our IP solutions for automotive are already safety compliant and deployed in the market.
We're speaking today with Moshe Sheier, VP of Marketing at Ceva. And Moshe, there's been quite a bit of discussion recently about the use of generative AI in automotive. So what is your view on that topic, just overall, generative AI in automotive? And then further to that, what does Ceva offer in terms of AI processing for automotive chip and system designers?
Okay, that is indeed a very exciting subject. I do believe that powerful AI processors in cars will employ generative AI models for various applications. For example, in object prediction for improved safety by anticipating the behavior of other road users, such as pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles, or for road condition assessment by real-time evaluation of road surface, weather conditions, potential hazards, also for interactive voice assistance through deployments of LLMs, for engaging in natural conversation with drivers, answering questions, providing information. So plenty of use cases for generative AI in future cars. As for the Ceva offerings, our Ceva New Pro M NPU IP, the main AI processor or the most powerful AI processor that we offer, is a very power efficient NPU for classic and generative AI at the edge. This NPU, Ceva New Pro M, provides support for transformers, which are critical for generative AI models, as well as for classic CNNs and for multiple data types. To provide some measure for the exceptional power efficiency of this NPU, I can say that it processes up to 7 tokens per second per watt of a Llama 2 7 billion parameters LLM prompt, much better than general purpose AI chips. Also, the Ceva New Pro M offers wide scalability using 4 NPU cores. We call these the NPM 11, 12, 14, and 18, providing from 4 up to 256 TOPS for a single core and up to 1200 TOPS for a multi-core configuration. It is also future-proof thanks to a programmable VPU that supports future new layers and operators. So quite a lot of what we offer is applicable for automotive.
Let's talk about some of Ceva's automotive customers. What are some of the challenges and pain points that you're helping them solve?
Okay, so some of the customers we can publicly mention would be Renesas, for example, that uses our technologies for ADAS applications, NXP for safety features in their chips, Autotox for cellular V2X, and few other tier 1 automotive players that are yet undisclosed, but using us for EV battery management system, UWB car keys, and so on. So if you may recall, Carl, it's quite a bit more users since we last spoke a previous show.
And with autonomous cars seemingly being delayed, what is your view, Moshe, of any upcoming trends there related to autonomous vehicles or just overall in the automotive industry?
So at Ceva, we first see additional ADAS features coming up as autonomous driving is indeed possibly pushed to the next decade. So these additional ADAS features involve radar, LiDAR, V2X communication, organized in a zonal architecture, targeting processing of multiple sensors with close to the sensor edge AI processing before moving the processed metadata to the main ECU for decision making. And generative AI getting employed in cars will be big as well, as mentioned earlier. Also, we see more DMS, driving monitoring systems, to monitor the driver and car occupants using cameras and UWB radar. So a lot of connectivity, sensing, and AI. Ceva is all about connect, sense, and infer, long before autonomous cars will hit mainstream, I believe. And make sure to visit us at the Ceva booth at AutoSens in October, of course, for more info about our latest automotive solutions.
Indeed, we'll look forward to that. Speaking with Moshe Sheier, VP of Marketing at Ceva. Moshe, thank you for being with us, for sharing your expertise and your thought leadership. Congratulations as well on all of your success. We'll look forward to seeing you in Barcelona. Thank you again, friend.
Thank you. Thank you, Carl. See you there.
For more information on Ceva and to find out more about our upcoming events, see the links in the description. And for more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the AutoSens community on LinkedIn. In Detroit, on behalf of AutoSens, I'm Carl Anthony.